Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and have a really great day. In this video, I need to clean up my whole crypto mining basement. It's literally a mess. I have so much stuff everywhere. Like, I just have a bunch of chump change XDs, GPU hanger kit just sitting here and it's taking up a lot of space. Chump change, I forgot to do an unboxing here, but I guess let's do it right now. So, look at this, guys. Chump Change has sent me a bunch of his Misfit mining as well as his Chump Change stickers. Oh my god, these are really nice. Chump Change, thank you so much, good sir, as well as the amazing, infamous GPU hanger kit. Look at this amazingness right here, guys. You guys know that I have a hanging GPU mining rig right now. These are all RTX 3070s and I am utilizing the Chump Change hangers and they are amazing. So thank you, Chump Change, for the hanger kit. I will definitely be utilizing these for I guess a fun build down the road. Not for a while. I'll let you know when I'm gonna be doing a mining rig build with these, but thank you so much. Looks like you have some like fan hangers in here as well. That's pretty sick. As well as, what's this? Oh my god, this is a whole Misfit mining block. That's so cool. 3D printed. All of this stuff is 3D printed. Awesome stuff. Okay, Chump Change, thank you so much, man. I will have a video for that later on down the road, guys. Go subscribe to Chump Change. Also, if you want to buy a GPU hanger kit, he sells these as well, okay? So thank you so much, Chump Change. Okay, guys, in this video, I need to really clean up this whole crypto mining basement. It's just a mess, and what a great time to do it now because it is extremely hot, and I also want to move all of my mining rigs off from the shelves here. You guys saw the video recently in my barn as well. It's really hot, but my basement as well. Better time than any to shutter all down, take off all of my mining rigs, and go forth with my plan of splitting my shelves in half. Like, I'm really hoping to spread out the rows so that they're not close to each other. Okay, I know a lot of people had some reservations about that, but once I have a few, you know, I have 6,000 CFM fans coming that I'm gonna be blowing into the rigs and having a lot of airflow in this basement. You guys just saw this fan right here blowing a lot of CFM right now into this general direction, and so it's helping some of my rigs, but I still have some of my mining rigs off for now, as like I said, I'm gonna be just taking everything down, and I want to redo everything. And I have a sample 12 GPU mining frame here just to give you guys some context of how I want my rows set up. So once I split these shelves in half, I'm gonna be putting these on top, okay? So I have a bunch of these on order, a bunch of them coming, and I should be able to put 2 of them on a single row, or on a single shelf essentially. So I can have 16 of these mining frames on the rows here, okay? So 8 and then 8. And I am gonna have to get another one of these wire shelves, all right? So yeah, that's my plan. Hopefully that should be good, and I should have a lot of airflow. I'm gonna have a lot of fans blowing into the rigs, and I have an exhaust fan over there, and I have another exhaust fan coming for there, as I said before, okay? So guys, I need to clean up this crypto mining basement, so I'm gonna do that in a snap here. Everything, all the tables, I'm gonna move out into my crypto mining barn. Everything you see here, I'm just gonna get rid of everything. I wanna have a clean slated basement with nothing in here but my mining rigs and fans. All right, that's all I'm gonna do. It's time to clean up. You will see everything gone in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this did not take me a day. This obviously took me, it's been about 6 or 7 days now, I can't remember. It took me quite a while. I just did everything quite slow, took everything out, and during that time I actually got my new exhaust fan and a few of my new floor fans. You can see here, I'll explain that later. But guys, look, it's all clean now. I got rid of all the tables and just the extra stuff that I had sitting around in my crypto mining basement here. Oh man, this looks much better. I feel much better. And I also brought some of my rigs from my garage. As some of you may remember, my crypto mining garage, I had a few rigs in there, and I decided to not mine in my garage for the summer. So I brought this RTX 3080 rig. This is the EVGA For the Win 3 rig, and really beautiful rig. I have it here on the floor for now. I have most of my rigs back on as the temperatures in this basement now is way better. So you guys probably saw the video where it was extremely hot in here, like 104 Fahrenheit, due to the ambient temperature outside. So what happened was, in the Pacific Northwest, we had a heat dome. I don't know the technicalness of the heat dome, but it was just really hot. Where I live, it has never been that hot ever before. So at the peak, it was about 46 degrees outside, or like 115 Fahrenheit. It was just unbearably hot. And so you guys saw that video. I had to turn off pretty much most of my mining rigs, and also the mining rigs in my barn. Okay, so you guys want to see where most of this stuff went. I actually moved it to my barn, and I also cleaned up over there as well. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, here is the barn. I got all my rigs back up, and also my L3 Plus, and also my Radeon 7 rig. Oh, it's much cooler in here now. It's a much colder day. Look at this. It's 75 Fahrenheit inside the barn here. It's so cold. I feel like cold, surprisingly. So the heat wave is over. The heat dome that we recently had over here is gone. But yeah, guys, look at this. I moved a lot of stuff to my barn here. Just everything. And I cleaned up a lot. I made my box wall more uniform. Everything's all clean. My box wall is just massive, guys. I have basically almost all the boxes I've accumulated over the past like 4 to 5 years in mining, and 3 to 4 years. Look at this, it's just crazy. There's the Weifu box, can't forget about that, and just everything. My power supply boxes as well, I've kept most of those, and just reorganized all of my crypto mining, just extra stuff that I had laying around. I have extra Veta frames. I found these 2 cases. These are the 6 GPU Veta frames. I still have 2 brand new. Potentially down the road, I may do a giveaway on those. I also found a AAA Wave 6 GPU frame, and I have a bunch of my server cases that I have a brand new one down there. Actually, 2 of those are brand new. I just haven't used them. And so I just have extra stuff here, extra mining rig frames with some power supplies, and these are my old aluminum angle wooden frames. I love these frames. But yeah, I'm not using any of these anymore. You guys can see the stack of them. And I also have a bunch of Veta frames over here. When I have time, I will definitely dismantle these and give these away, as I hate having them sit here not being utilized by anybody. So, and then I do have a Minebox 12 here, which I will utilize down the road. So it's just gonna sit here for now, all of my extra stuff. So yeah, well, let me know what you guys think of my box wall. Looks pretty crazy. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's my barn here. That's pretty much where I moved all my tables here, as you can see right here. And I did have an old shop fan I moved over here. I'm not using it right now because it's nice and cool in here at the moment. 75 Fahrenheit, you guys just saw there, and sitting over here, it's about 72. So really nice in the barn right now. Obviously, it's a cool day. Okay, guys, let's go back to the basement. Oh, all right, guys, we are back in the basement. It feels so good in here. I'm so happy that it's nice and clean now. I even vacuumed and like wiped the floors. Oh, it just feels so good in here. But we're not done. It's gonna be a while. I'm gonna make tons of videos of just, I gotta, like I said, I wanna continue on with my plan here of splitting my shelves, and I wanna do a row here and another row over here, and then I'm gonna populate those rows with these 12 GPU mining frames. So very similar to these 2 here with my 3080s. Here's my Asus Tough 3080 rig, working really well, and my EVGA one over here with the 120mm fans. I'm most likely not gonna populate my rigs with fans, and my reason for that is I'm gonna create the airflow with these barrel fans that I just got. Oh my god, these are pumping out 8,000 CFM right now, and it feels amazing. It's nice and cool, and it's just blowing onto the GPUs right now. And I have this one over here as well, just blowing tons of airflow throughout all of my rigs here. So that's what I'm hoping to do once I have the 2 rows, that I can, you know, figure out where I'm gonna put the barrel fans. And I do have 2 more over here. These are the iLiving ones I just received from Amazon, and they're pretty good. I actually just tested one, and it pumps out a lot of air as well. I believe these are only 6,000 CFM though, but hey, just in case, you know, when we have a potential hot spell come through my area again. I don't think so. That was a rare occurrence, but who knows? Well, we're not sure. Anyways, guys, yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there. You guys probably see my exhaust fan. I'm gonna do another video about that, putting it up into that window there. So we'll have an exhaust there, and we'll have an exhaust over here, all right? So we'll be good. Hopefully, we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I'm gonna have multiple videos of doing all this stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Oh, you're probably looking at this, Crypto Miner Bros. They just sent me a new ASIC. I'm not sure which one it is, but I have a feeling I will not have enough power to run this ASIC. We'll see down the road. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.